You like the car?
Man, if I put some 10 on that car,
Yeah.
some gold D's, it'll look. What's a 10 make it look more gangster?
Yeah, it's doing lifestyle. It's doing lifestyle. I got a box 2, got an ace on it. Got another box Chevy too. Yeah, I need y'all. I need y'all. Got a box Chevy 2 with the order 28. Subscribe to my channel, you can check out my page. Got an 87 box Chevy 2, yeah, it's great. Had a truck on 30, man, I think it was an 8. Oh yeah, man, I forgot the colors. I was thugging, yeah, up in the colors. He was bucket, my driveway was flooded. I was hustling, we turned nothing to something. Hit that button, hit that button. Post notification, hit that button. Subscribe the channel, hit that button. Hit that button, hit that button.
It's a lot that comes with this. Man, we gotta let my boy driving, man, get his reaction. So I don't know if he's nervous, man. You know, this your first time driving on 30? Or
Yeah,
not really?
This is my first time on 30, y'all. And I have to be extremely careful because this ain't my car. I can't turn. I don't want to mess nothing up.
Hey,
good
yeah.
thing is he riding with me.
Yeah, because when you turn, I got to do a little more adjusting and cutting. So when you turn, it's like you got to turn 1, 2, and stop.
Right.
But you will feel it when it,
right.
You'll know, you drove around before. So
hopefully I'm trying to feel it, have it right before I feel it.
Yes, sir. That's a big dog. Yeah. So yeah, man, we can ride in that thing. We can bust a block, man. You know your way out there.
Oh,
yeah, man, I'm finna let my boy bust a block in this thing, man. I'm finna go on and hop on the passenger side. Yes, sir, man. Hey, man, we working, man. We grinding, dog. This is what all is about, man. I'm finna get his reaction. Damn, I'm on the passenger side. How do I let the seat back? God dang. Bro, hold on, I got electric seats. Bro. How do I thought I had electric seats. I must don't have electric seats.
What?
I thought I had.
You know, have like a truck.
Bro, I thought I had electric seats, man. I'm trying to. I ain't sat on the passenger side so long, bro.
Right.
I think this might be my first time.
It probably feel funny being on the
it is. It's probably.
Boy, I ain't been in the box so long. These cars are so comfortable, man.
Yeah, it'll be alright. Thought I had a. What's the name? But it's
music in here.
Look, some man.
Look how comfortable these seats is, y'all.
Hell yeah, man. She just really, I really just gotta do a little more work to her.
Right.
But motor did first, then my suspension, then the inside.
Right.
That's how we're gonna do.
It's nice now.
Yeah, appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Man.
Hey, just wait. I'm telling y'all, before spring, I'm gonna say before spring. In spring or before spring, but definitely before the summer. 2 sunroofs. I got my mind made up. 2 sunroof. The suspension gonna be there. The motor gonna be right. 410 gears. The inside gonna be right. I know I'm saying this because it's gonna be true. I'm telling y'all, my manifest is gonna come.
There you go. That's what you're supposed to do. Speak that thing into existence, man.
That's right, man.
You ready to got the gauges down here. Race cars, y'all.
It ain't that. Oh, it's good stuff. Yeah, I think it's good stuff.
Yeah. Okay. We
Hold on,
ain't driving.
go back up. Yeah. You and drive.
They go drive right
Yeah, drive.
That thing snapping good, y'all.
Yeah.
So I wasn't expecting that, y'all. Like the car literally jumped in gear like a race car, y'all. So we got to see, man. Doinks got something in here he ain't telling us about,
You
y'all.
probably gonna experience some little scrubbing in the back and stuff until we get, until we get right. Oh, yes sir. Oh.
Button, hit that button, hit the post notification, hit that button, subscribe the channel, hit that button, hey, hit that button, hit that button. When you pull up in the driveway, you better turn the other way. Cause I don't even play that way. I'm just tryna be straight. To be under with you, I don't even like a lot of crowd. Man, that shit to me is wild. Niggas ain't gon' peep your style. Need y'all subscribe. Need y'all subscribe. Need y'all subscribe to Doing Lifestyle.
I don't know if some more.
Right.
And
It's nice, man.
like I said, bro, once I get everything straight, man, it's gonna be hopefully one of the hardest box Chevy.
It's already is. You gotta tell them top 5 where. Tell them
Yes, sir.
Top 1.
Hey, I'm
Tell
up
them
there.
Top 1,
I hate to say it, y'all, but I'm up there now. Unless y'all can prove me wrong. Yeah. These motherfuckers right, dog. Hey, if I had the moolah, if it was me, if I had the moolah, I promise you. I wish it was a photo though. I had to go with a photo, man. Nothing really wrong with the two though, but now the vert two though different. But if I'm gonna do a big body, I gotta do a photo on the big body, you know what I'm saying? Even though I got my boy, my baby over there. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this gonna be the cleanest box Chevy when I get done with this box Chevy, I'm telling y'all exactly how I'm gonna do it, exactly what I want. I gotta get my suspension ready. Huh? Oh, you good, boy? You good, man. Boy, eating good, man. That man always eating good.
Every time you come over here, I'm eating.
That man stay eating good, man. Yes, sir, man. I'm telling y'all, it's manifested. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna get done, man. So, y'all new to the channel, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all gonna, y'all finna see it. It'll be crazy, insane. I'm telling y'all. How you doing? Doing all right? Doing good? Crazy, insane, man. Also, he's selling this too. If y'all want to inbox Tate Thurman 96, he's also selling this Pontiac Bonneville. So let me give y'all a little quick glimpse of it, man. Got the hubcap, the original white wall tires with the skirt on it. We got the black top. What else? He said AC heat work, everything worked. I think it's okay. The door's open. So we got the all black carpet. We got the all black dash, no cracks in it. Steering wheel, everything original. We got the black seats. You got a price for this thing, man?
Yes, sir. 11,000.
11,000, man. Hey, 11,000, man. All original. So, yes, sir. So if y'all want this thing, man, y'all come get it. Y'all subscribe to his channel. Hit him up, inbox him. Only if y'all serious, though. Only if y'all serious. So, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get this. Yes, sir, man. Hey, my boy got so many cars, man. He gotta move them out the way. Gotta move them out the way just to, you know what I'm saying? Just to get there. But, hey, man, doing big things, man, that's all that matters, you know what I'm saying? Money man right there, man.
Huh?
Said money man, he can do it all.
That shit.
Dump trucks.
Bless.
When last time you drove this thing?
When last time we drove this one? I couldn't tell you.
Oh, okay.
We don't drive.
I was saying it was right there when I came a long time ago.
It's this spot till they get a new home.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. Ain't too bad though. Oh yes, sir. Hey man, 11,000, man. Y'all come, hey, y'all hit them up, man. Take Thurman 96, man. Yes, sir. No leaks, no nothing. Hey, I was gonna say when y'all do, you like the car.
Man, if I was 10 on that car,
Yeah.
some gold D's, man.
Yeah, all black.
It'll look, what's a tint make it look more gangster?
It'll be more, yeah.
Yeah.
Look more like a black
She probably, yeah, with some gold, depending what kind of gold.
Damn, as soon as I block the mailbox.
Damn, they run on Sunday? Unless you can just stop him and get your mail when he comes your way. That's what I be doing sometimes. Yeah, man, this the bad boy right here, man. It's the bad boy, man. Yes, sir. You gonna move out the way?